There's a lot of opportunity ahead of us from an innovation, from a collaboration, from an efficiency standpoint when we think about all of this evolving analytics, machine learning, data science, infrastructure, compute. Obviously, the very first few things that pop in my head are all things around, data, using data more efficiently. Data is a currency. It's an oil. Organizations are trying to maximize the value out of the data if they know where their data is. That's always half the hurdle is, do you know where your data is? Do you know if it's structured, unstructured? And do you know how to use the data? So the very first thing is around making sure that that data is available to the scientific community and organizations, and that it's being leveraged optimally to the extent possible, through a catalog and sorts. Um, Integrating data science and learning will allow those consumers then to leverage more sophisticated analysis approaches for a lot of this clinical trial data, especially historical data that we have not gained maximum value out of. And obviously, if I need to connect the dots, that's going to help us, inform our protocol designs a lot more successfully, because we now are getting value and generating insights out of the data. And that gives us opportunities and strategies to be more efficient and avoid some of the more common pitfalls that we may have experienced in previous clinical trials in different therapeutics. Predictive modeling, adaptive trial designs, these are other examples of opportunities where we can actually use a lot of the machine learning to develop more predictive models and anticipate in advance any challenges with the clinical trials, such as patient recruitment. And, in this day and age, Dan, it's all about speed. And in terms of predicting what might be challenging for the patient, how do we simplify it for the patient? That is our ultimate, customer in all of this.
Sure.
And so those insights help us get more predictive in nature, and also make sure that our trials are more adaptive in the way we're designing.